Greetings everyone, this is Catherine with Mama Bean Farm. So another long, tiring, but beautiful, rewarding day here on the farm. Just had a little moment, thought I'd give a little tour what we have going on. So these are hazelnut bushes we put in this year. They did get a little bit of that late frost, but they're coming back. I think they'll be just fine. Here's a chamomile that just appeared here. So we've been harvesting it for tea. So we have hazelnuts all here. This is a pear tree. We have 3 pear trees just put in this year with some marjoram herbs around them. I love the smell of this one. And over here we have sage, a little bit of rosemary. These pawpaw trees that like a little bit of shade when they're young, I have to go through and weed them out again. And our shade tree that we love. I was just here sitting on the blanket wrapping some of the smudge sticks. I can't see my camera, but so there's sage and mugwort. Mugwort, Artemisia vulgaris, is referred to as black sage sometimes. So I made a combo of the two. So that's it for now, just giving you a little taste of what we have here. Enjoy your day.